Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I see myself as a marketable individual. Want to use me to make money, and I'm saying no.
Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe, you'll be able to get notifications each time we post. Okay? We love you guys.
I converted the greatest liability threatening the environment and Lagos existence to asset of magnitude value. I've employed various hands in Lagos, whether you are from Lagos or not. I've encouraged private investment in Lagos more than any other part of the country. In fact, beating the federal government and before we took over the reign of the nation. Vision, courage, and can-do attitude of an individual is self-given. My record is consistent, and the school and the university, they question, they now confess that they wasted their money and their time. The record is there, the transcript is there. So in March 1952, I'm not claiming another fellow. I am Tinubu and Tinubu proper. If they want a DNA, they could as well require for one. One of them has been even accused of not being a Nigerian citizen. I didn't touch that area. Equally, it remains the same. Deloitte, Chicago State University, where I graduated, has attested to that. Now I can announce that I've received my original replacement degree certificate from them. The Deloitte trained me as an accounting firm. No one has attested to my record, a standing record. I got to the pinnacle of my career. And the private sector, who among them can brag about? Now, yes, you want to wrestle with the pig, you got to live with the dirt. That's what I'm doing. I go into politics. We are knowing fully well that it's a muddy water. Small good cause. You will have to live with the dirt.